Welcome to a rare slice of Maine history. This is the 1787 John Sanborn farmhouse. Beautifully restored and set on 6 peaceful acres in the scenic Maplewood neighborhood of Parsonsfield. You're getting period charm, modern comfort, and those breathtaking sunsets and panoramic views that change with every season. Inside the main residence, you've got 6 bedrooms, 5 original fireplaces, 3 bathrooms, and all the classic farmhouse features. Built-ins, crown molding, a spacious walk-in pantry, original wood floors, everything that showcases the true character of this historic home. The renovated kitchen is the heart of the house, with exposed beams, a big center island, double-wall ovens, and a gas cooktop. Perfect for everyday living or hosting family and friends. A whole house generator and brand new heat pumps keep you comfortable year-round. And here's the game changer, an attached 10-stall horse barn. No walking through snow, no separate buildings. Your horses and animals are right here under the same roof. Plus, you get a second large barn and workshop with flexible space for woodworking, hobbies, or even business ventures. Recreation? You've got it all. A golf course at the end of the street, Province Lake for boating and fishing, and endless hiking and riding trails. This property blends historical elegance with modern updates and opens the door to so many possibilities. Airbnb rental, equestrian pursuits, an event barn, or simply a stunning homestead surrounded by pastures, stone walls, mature gardens, and apple trees. This is the timeless Maine lifestyle, preserved, elevated, and ready for its next chapter. Septic Design on file.